done it before where people have asked me to say, hey, I'm Earl tonight, so if my wife's watching, like, all right, Earl. Hey, I saw an ad that said $4.95 additional. We'll change the price tag to whatever you told your spouse. I think I'm gonna do that too. Where's them after hours animals at? Let's see. Howdy, Steve. What's up, Manny? Dan, are you on here yet? 1 or 2, buddy? Thanks, Jeff. We're just doing one box break. We're going to do live tomorrow night. We got contenders over here. We might do a box preview here a little bit later. Number 2. Number 2, Danny boy. Good luck, buddy. Here's a $400 box of cards. Cabin fever. We're about ready to turn the temperature up, son. I'm ready to let out a woo! One time, let old Nate Dogg get pumped up. I'm ready. I need some juice. All right, I think number 1's a good player. Yeah, I see 5. All right, number 1, the smallest MVP in the history of the NBA. AI would definitely be a Grand Slam athlete. It's not numbered. Nope, not numbered. AI. Next one up. Ooh, Rod Carew Emerald. No, red. So ruby. 1, 2, 3 color patch auto, number to 10. It's a cool card. I'm wanting something big though, Dan. I want to let out a woo. Nolan Ryan auto to 35. That's like a woo. Nolan Ryan auto, AI auto, Rod Carew auto. Here we go. Oh man, I was hoping that was Bird. Kevin McHale game used logo patch, number to 7, 1 of 7. Little woo. Come on, I want to say something. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Last card. Will it be? Doesn't look anything crazy. Looks like a normal auto, right? What is this? Carly Lloyd. Is she good? A good box, but not something to scream about. McHale, patch. Nolan Ryan auto's cool. Okay, so she's good. All right. Rod Carew, 3 color patch, auto to 10, and AI. We have 1 more box left. That's it, guys. I could probably get one here in the morning if we're going to do. I was going to save them for tomorrow night, but Dan's a VIP here at Grand Slam. Get ready, 2018. We're going to have our VIP package. Y'all get ready tomorrow night. Tell your friends. We have 45 people watching this already. Yeah, no problem, Dan. Thanks for the business. All right, Big Dan. Manny, $3.99 plus shipping on these. I hope Carly Lloyd brings in some money. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, Dan. Contenders is going to be out, man. All right, I'll see y'all a little bit later. I may do a Contenders box preview because I can't sell them, but I'm going to open one anyway for myself, so I'll probably open one in a little bit, see if they're any good or not. Y'all are crazy, man. 51 people during the day is nuts. Yeah, Will, down here at Grand Slam, man, it gets wild, man. I'll predict the cops will be called back by the time 2018 is done. We'll probably have the cops again. Yep. All righty. What's up, Joe? Don't forget to come down here and pick up all your stuff, dude. All right, guys. I'll catch y'all a little bit later. I'll do a Contenders probably later tonight. See ya.